Investment in South Korean startups rebounded in the third quarter of 2024, reaching 1.61 trillion won $1.2 billion, according to StartupRecipe data. This marks a 22% increase from the previous quarter, signaling a positive trend in the country's startup ecosystem, while the figure represents a 20% year-on-year decline. Analysts note that this comparison is skewed by an unusually high concentration of investments in July and September 2023. When adjusted for this anomaly, the Q3 2023 performance demonstrates a robust upward trajectory. The number of investment deals, excluding government grants, surged 30% compared to Q2, further underscoring the sector's momentum. A key development has been the stabilization of monthly investment inflows since June, with 4 consecutive months exceeding 500 billion won. This contrasts sharply with the volatile swings of up to 800 billion won observed in 2023, indicating a maturing market. Large-scale investments have also seen an uptick, with 3 deals surpassing 100 billion won and a record 53 investments exceeding 10 billion won in Q3. The consistent quarter-on-quarter increase in substantial funding rounds bodes well for the sector's recovery in the latter half of the year. Sector-wise, biotech and healthcare led the pack, followed by media and content, manufacturing, and software. While media and content saw fewer deals, it was bolstered by 2 unicorn-scale investments in Spoon Labs and Pip Labs. Manufacturing continued its ascent, while consumer technology platforms notably fell out of the top 5, reflecting shifting investor priorities. Although current investment levels pale in comparison to the exceptional years of 2021-2022, the maintenance or increase in funding rounds is seen as a positive signal for startups. The swift allocation of the 840 billion won Startup Korea Fund, introduced this year, has also raised expectations for increased private sector participation. The Ministry of SMEs and Startups recently unveiled plans to propel South Korea's venture investment market to global standards, targeting a domestic market size of 16 trillion won and 1 trillion won in global investments by 2027. These policy initiatives are expected to not only boost investor sentiment, but also stimulate tangible growth in private sector funding.